Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights and I'm so excited to share with you my new free mini lettering journal course. It's a free 5-day course where you'll learn the basics of hand lettering while creating your own beautiful journal. Maybe you've been wanting to start hand lettering and you're not sure how to learn the basics, or maybe you're struggling to find the time or motivation. If so, this course is for you. You'll receive an email each day with a video tutorial to guide you through learning the basics of hand lettering to start your foundation right. And because life is so busy, it's broken into bite-sized chunks. You'll just need 15 minutes a day. This is the journal that you'll be creating. We'll be doing 1 page a day. And before you think that your journal isn't going to turn out like mine, that's why I've created a printable worksheet to give you exactly what to trace. Tracing hand lettering worksheets is really helpful when you're learning. Yours may look different than mine depending on what pens and colors you use, but this worksheet is exactly what you need to make your own. And this isn't just any worksheet. When folded the right way, it turns into a mini journal. And all you need is 1 sheet of paper. As for pens, you'll want small brush pens. I'll be using Crayola Super Tips, but you could use any squishy tip kid marker, or if you want an actual brush pen, you can get Pentel Touch or Tombow Fude. Maybe now you're thinking, I have really bad handwriting, there's no way I'll be able to learn. But actually, hand lettering is different from handwriting. It's its own art form. You learn how to create strokes that combined create letters. And I'll show you all of that in the course. It comes down to this. Hand lettering is an amazing form of self-care, but a lot can get in the way, like finding the time to practice and knowing what to practice. So let me help you by showing you exactly what to practice and giving you the motivation to find 15 minutes a day to complete your journal. I can't wait to get started.